change, but what is an answer to the question of why? I'll always seem to need you by my side. When it started, I had no second guesses, but now I've seemed to learn my lesson. And as we grow from the seeds we've sown, will the roots run deeper on the paths we roam? And so tell me, what's wrong with the simple song melody? A couple chords to go along in the long run. Well, seldom are the simple things done wrong. That's why I thought I'd take a second to recognize